welcome back to another video. Today we're working Miata again, and we're gonna be installing these coilovers on it. Is it gonna be fun? Maybe. Oh, and also, look what's up and running again. So, turns out that what was wrong with it was a sensor. It was a sensor which I thought that can't be possibly it, so I didn't swap it out. But it was that sensor, so yeah, I think we even explained it in the last video, in the end. We're gonna be installing these coilovers, and over here you can see another teaser for our next video. But yeah, let's get to work on that. I'm also gonna replace this nut, which I don't even know how you call it, but this goes inside the brake caliper. Where does it go? Well, right, no, not there. Where the hell did it go? All right, it goes back there. I don't know if you can even see it, but it goes back there, and that somehow controls the e-brake, which currently doesn't work because the previous owners have completely grounded this out. So hopefully this should fix it. Hopefully. So let's see. As you can see, this one's still good. So I don't know, I remember this side being bad. Well, I guess we gotta do the same thing on the other side now. So, the wheel is stuck between this car and its bumper and the fucking brake caliper. You're fucking joking. I'll be back. Oh, look at that, the wheel came off. Yeah, you see, this one is... the camera can focus on it. Yeah, you see, this one's all stripped out. So, yeah, we're probably gonna need to replace that. And maybe, who knows, maybe the e-brake's gonna stop working. Alright, first things first, we're gonna clean out the trunk. I kinda just threw everything in here when I was taking out the interior, so let's do that. Yeah, that's a bit... Alright, after fucking with this bolt for I don't know even how long, and I literally had to use the fucking exhaust
What allegedly separates humans from the so-called lower animals? Supposedly, it's the ability to make and use tools.
It's okay to move. I think it actually moves now, so... Well, I missed the disc ball for no reason, as instead I had to get the upper wishbone out. And as you can see, now we can actually reach the suspension, so... Alright, now, let's go convert this into a coilover. We should probably be good, but I still hate this shit. There the fucking bomb goes. Well, the camera died, but I got this side all installed. As you can kind of ish see. So I'm gonna do the other side of camera as, well, it's the same stuff. And then I'll be back to do the front. So, the rear coilovers are in, and I figured, you know, the Carolina squat, it's kind of boring on trucks. So, I think it looks better in the Miata. Yeah, she's pretty low now. Actually, she's so low that when I put her down on the ground first, it got stuck on the jack. So yeah, I don't know how the inspection's gonna like it, but well, there's only one thing left to do, and that's the front springs now. So let's get to that. Underneath the hood there's some artwork. As you know, in the future I hope to have the car all in white and purple, so... Well, alright, so I've finished lowering and I cannot contain my excitement. As Jesus, she is looking good. Take a look at that. I mean, it doesn't... You can see it on video, but Jesus, she looks good in real life. The biggest towards how low she is the furry cover I have on the back bumper. It's scraped before, sometimes, when you were going over speed bumps. So, it got a bit scraped. But now, yeah, that is gonna get destroyed when I'm driving around. So, oh yeah, and also I forgot to mention, during the installation of the front coilovers, the camera decided it did not want to record. It probably has something to do with the fact that it's starting to run out of video storage, but overall it was mostly the same. I had to unhook the top I forgot that. I had to undo the... That's gonna bug me now. Let's say the wishbone. Which it might have been, might not been, because you know English. Bleh. But yeah, I had to undo that. I had to undo the sway bar, and then it basically came out. So there's nothing much. And then of course I had to retain the spring, take the top mount off, put the top mount on the coilover, put it back in. So basically it was exactly the same as it was in the rear. So there wasn't really any point in filming it, and also the camera didn't want to film it. But yeah, that's basically gonna do it for this video, and see you in the next one.